Hey guys, it's me. Look at this ridiculous thunderstorm. Oh my gosh. So, a lot of thunder and lightning. I just wanted to show you guys because this thunderstorm's pretty cool. Whoa. Whoa. I'm in my garage right now. And, I don't want to turn on the light because it'll ruin this glorious light show. Let's go over here. Sorry, I really don't have night vision. I don't know if I do or not on this camera. But the lightning is just lighting up everything like it's daytime. Like the power in this thunderstorm is just so immense. Whoa, that was a bolt, man. That was a bolt. Jeez. It's like War of the Worlds. The movie with Tom Cruise and shit. It's like 11, I think, at night or something. Just look at this storm. Damn. It is even messing up my camera a little bit. But holy crap, guys. Intense. Hope I catch a bolt on this. Whoa, that was really bright. Oh man. This is so amazing, guys. And also, I want to say thank you for a lot of views on my Eyeless Jack video, too. Thanks for all the views and the likes and the compliments. Very well appreciated, guys. It lit up the car. That's pretty cool. Holy crap. Whoa, I wish I could film this outside, but I really don't want to get struck by lightning. Like, I see documentaries on people that get struck by lightning during these things. I don't know if you can hear this thunder, this crazy thunder or not, but damn, this is so intense. I used to be afraid of thunderstorms mainly because of tornadoes. Like, I would watch things about tornadoes and afraid my house was going to get blown apart by one. But I know this one's just a thunderstorm with a lot of thunder and lightning. Not really any funnel clouds. But I wouldn't be an idiot and record a tornado coming towards my house. I would take cover. Oh man. The power in this tornado, I mean thunderstorm. Shit. Ugh, I feel a spider web on me. Whoops, spiders are safe in my garage from this storm. I can tell you that. Excuse me. Wow. Let's go to the other place over here, the other window. Think better view, I think. Up here. Wow. Well, like, comment, subscribe, guys, because I'm gonna draw some stuff and post it on DeviantArt, hopefully, and finish some requests on DeviantArt, and I will see you guys later.